Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change Jaguar E-Pace wiper blades, full guide. Start by parking on flat ground and switching the ignition off. Next, lift each wiper arm gently to avoid bending the metal. Inspect the current blades for wear, cracks, or missing rubber. Match the replacement blades to the arm style and size. Keep a cloth handy to protect the windshield while you work and avoid sudden snaps. Begin by identifying the connector type on your Jaguar E-Pace wiper arm so you use the right removal method. Gently press the release tab and slide the old blade down and away from the hook or pin. Keep one hand under the arm to control its motion and prevent it from hitting the glass. Dispose of the worn blade properly and inspect the arm for any rust or damage before installing the new part. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful car tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for keeping the garage and car mats tidy between maintenance sessions, and its voice control makes it oddly fun to use around tools. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Align the new Jaguar E-Pace blade connector with the wiper arm and slide it into place until you hear a solid click indicating a secure fit. Carefully lower the arm back to the windshield, making sure the blade seats evenly along the glass. Power the wipers on low to test for smooth operation and consistent contact across the sweep. If you see streaks or gaps, recheck the seating and repeat installation if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.